Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix shop content width in mobile layout using Media Query CSS in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. In previous tutorial, I forgot about CSS for mobile layout. In previous tutorial, we created CSS class for shop page using custom code and then change shop content width using custom CSS using with class we created, but that CSS apply on all screen which include desktop, mobile, all devices. And in CSS we change shop page width to 70%. It's mean 70% screen width also show on mobile layout. So we are going to fix that and we will fix using Media Query CSS. Now you see custom code. By using this code we created class for shop page and then you see custom CSS class. Now you see width 70% for shop page. Now go to shop page. Now you see left right space. Now right click and then you see activate the mobile view on this page. So click on it. Now you see mobile view. You see 70% width also show on mobile layout. So we are going to fix this by using Media Query CSS. Now close this. Now go to additional CSS section. Now we are going to add Media Query. Now paste. Now you see media screen and maximum width 767px. So you can add maximum width according to your requirement. Now copy this and then paste. Now make it 100% and then click on publish and you will find previous tutorial link in video description. Now publish done. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see 70% width. Now right click on it and then you see activate the mobile view on this page. So click on it. Now mobile view open and then scroll down, you see 100% width on mobile view. Back to CSS. So this CSS apply on above screen 767 and this CSS apply on maximum 767 screen. So we are using media screen and you will find previous tutorial link in video description and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.